Hi ladies, I'm Tatiana Whitlock, Director of Training with A Girl and a Gun, and in today's Training Tip Tuesday Quick Tips, we're going to go over some techniques to help you get your magazines loaded. Because let's face it, this can be one of the most frustrating things, especially for a new shooter. Shooting isn't the challenge, getting the mags loaded can be. So one of the ways that I teach newbies how to load their magazine is to use the surface area you have around you. We're going to, because I'm a righty, position the magazine in my left hand. I'm going to use the table to help brace the magazine in position. Now you'll notice that the ramp matches my finger, okay? If I pick the magazine up and I have opposing ramps, I'm backwards. So that's an easy, quick tip. If I have the magazine in my hand, I want the incline, the follower, to match my thumb. So now I can brace against the table. I'm going to take a round. I'm going to put the flat end towards my fingertips. If I have the round towards my fingertips, I'm backwards, which is counterintuitive to some folks. So I want to be able to read the stampings on the back of the piece of ammo. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press down and underneath those two little wings that come around the sides that lock the round in place. Obviously, if I'm trying to push directly down on them, it's not going to work. Now, some magazines, the geometry of that follower is different, which can make this a little bit challenging. Thus, the first round's always the toughest one to get loaded. So, orient it properly in your hand, brace it on the table, position the round in your fingertips, press down underneath those wings. One down, let's keep going. If you don't have enough lula for support to keep positioning and biasing that top round down, we can start using our thumb to help push on the rear of that top round to help start the process. Take a little bit of the spring pressure away so that you can, again, orient and position that next round in place. I like to utilize the line of where the brass meets the bullet and go right behind that to press the rear edge of that round down underneath those wings and back. So utilize everything you've got, your support hand, your strong hand, put this thumb to work, divide the labor, split the forces, and have fun loading your magazines.
If you like this segment, head to our website to watch the full video. Members get access to our entire library of exclusive content. Not a member yet? Now's a great time to join.